What if you could turn your YouTube video into a blog in a matter of seconds? Well, you can, okay? I've built a prompt. You can even go into the store if you've got the paid version of ChatGPT and search for the Access Analytic, the Blogger Assistant. And then all you do is you basically go into your YouTube video, go to the subtitle section and go and copy the subtitles. So here we go. I'm going to go into here, copy all this lot, and then I'm going to ask it to, can you help me write a blog? So it's then asking me for the transcript, so I've put that as a question. I paste the transcript in. I don't need the word music at the end, and then I'll just send it. So here it goes. It's going to write the blog post for me. Why incremental refresh? This should say data lineo, so you do have to check the wording. But it's going through, breaking it down into sections, putting subheadings in. It's pretty cool. Okay, then it's given me suggested images to put into my blog as well.